What is required of the 25 people that are going to get this lifetime access? Here's the thing. You have to be included in every training. We're going to do a weekly training. If you can't make the training, they're going to be recorded, but you have to complete the training. And then the second thing is you have to commit to 6 months of using this platform. If after 6 months, you don't think this platform is for you or your business, I'll return your money. Here's the greatest thing about it all. The cost of this platform for lifetime access is only $499. $499 gives you access for life to this platform, and all the additional development that's going to go into it, you will have access to. Now, access won't begin until November 15th through December 1st. That's when we should start our first beta test. It could be a little bit later. And this is a beta test, so things can happen, things can go wrong, and you have to be okay with that because that's part of the software development. Our goal is to make this great. Our goal is to make this be the one platform that all business owners need and can utilize. And so you're going to be part of that. And so you have to understand the requirements that are involved in getting that lifetime access.